Hey everyone, welcome back to eufy tutorials. If you own or you're thinking about getting a security camera, you've probably asked yourself, how far can this thing actually see, especially at night? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're breaking down exactly how security cameras see the world and what that means for your home or business security, both day and night. Let's jump into it. First off, let's talk about how far security cameras can see during the day. Here comes the core point one, the typical range. Most standard security cameras can clearly capture recognizable images from about 30 to 100 feet away during daylight. That means if someone on your porch or in your driveway, you should be able to spot them easily, assuming you've got the right camera. So what are the main factors that affect the range? First, resolution. Higher resolution equals clearer images at a distance. Think of it like this: more pixels, more details. Different resolution could range from like old flip phone photos to cinematic images. If you want to read a license plate from further away, get a higher res camera which supports 2K or 4K. 2. Lens focal length. Focal length is the distance between its lens and its sensor. It affects the ability of the security camera to zoom in and capture distant objects. Telephoto lenses zoom in, great for long driveways or gates. Wide-angle lenses show more area but less detail at a distance. 3. Field of view. This is basically how much versus how far. A wide field captures more space but closes up. A narrow field reaches further. Here's a simple analogy. Think of your camera like your eyes. If you squint to see far away, you miss what's happening nearby. Open eyes wide and you see more but with less detail in the distance. So what if the sun goes down? How far can a security camera see at night? Let's talk about the typical night vision range. Most security cameras rely on infrared LEDs for night vision, which usually reaches about 30 to 50 feet. That means your typical backyard or front porch is covered, but don't expect to clearly spot what's happening at the end of your block.
The first type is traditional IR or infrared night vision. This allows these surveillance devices to receive infrared radiation from the objects and capture clear white and black images at night, which makes them suitable for surveillance in low-light conditions. They work best with minimal obstacles and no bright lights shining directly at the camera. Thermal imaging. With a thermal imaging system, they trace the outline of the object by detecting waves of heat emitted by moving objects. The cooler parts are displayed as blue and the hotter parts as red. Security cameras with thermal imaging are perfect for long-range nighttime surveillance regardless of lighting conditions. They can see from around 100 to 150 feet. Color night vision. Some newer cameras use more advanced sensors and a bit of ambient light or their own floodlights to show color images at night. This really helps with details like identifying a red jacket versus a black one. Low-light vision cameras are relatively rare and more often used in specialized professional fields or specific occasions such as wildlife observation.
And here is a pro tip. The more infrared LEDs your camera has, the better its night vision and the further it can see in the dark. If you need real clarity at night, consider a camera with a bright spotlight. On top of all the things we mentioned before, also mind these factors.
Placement. Where you put your camera makes a huge difference. Indoors, you only need short range. Outdoors, make sure your camera isn't blocked by trees or walls if you want to see as far as possible. Environmental, fog, rain, and street lights can all reduce range and clarity, especially at night. And yes, even the world's best camera will struggle if it's covered in cobwebs or dirt. Let's boil it down. Daytime. 30 to 100 feet typical range depending on resolution, lens, and field of view. Nighttime. 30 to 50 feet with standard IR, possibly more with advanced models. Pick higher resolution for better detail at long distances. Choose your lens and field of view based on what you really need to see. Keep lenses clean and placement strategic.
Remember, choosing the right security camera isn't just about picking the shiniest new gadget. It's about matching the camera's vision to your real-life needs. Alright folks, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends. Have questions or want reviews on specific cameras? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.